guys, today I'm making a Kentucky bourbon pound cake. This is a new recipe, and as you can see, I got all my ingredients out ready to take on this new recipe. So I'm gonna start out by sifting my flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And once I do that, I'm gonna get everything blended in my mixer with the 4 eggs and then the buttermilk, vanilla extract, and salt. I'm not really giving definite measurements right now because this is just kind of test kitchen recipe that I'm doing. And once I see how it turns out and I actually like it, then I think I'll leave the recipe so everyone else can make it. But I've been kind of interested in creating this recipe for a minute, so I just want to see how it's going to turn out for me. So I'm just getting everything all mixed up here, as you can see, and from tasting the batter, it tasted really good. So I'm just getting it in my big bundt pan, which I used flour baking spray so that the cake will come out smooth and not stick to the pan. And once it comes out, I'm gonna add the Kentucky bourbon glaze to it, and I will report back and let you guys know how it is.